In this tutorial, you will learn how to join a Google Meet on a desktop. Your first step is to go to your email and find the invitation. It'll look something like this. Once in your email, you will scroll down and find the meet.google.com link and click there. You will get a couple of pop-ups. The one you want to click Allow on is the one that comes from your browser. It may not look exactly like this, but whatever it does look like, just press Allow. It is safe to do so, and you will need to do this every single time you join a meeting on Google Meet. You are now in the waiting room. No one can see or hear you yet. This is just your opportunity to get everything ready before you join the meeting. Now, this button here is the button that you will use to mute your microphone. You'll want to do this if you have any background noise at your house, like barking dogs or yelling children. This button here controls your camera, and you'll want to leave it on if you can. Once everything is set, just press Join Now to enter the meeting. The sidebar at the bottom of your screen will disappear with inactivity. Don't worry about it. If you want it to come back, just move your mouse and it'll pop right back up. If the microphone button is red, you are muted, so remember to unmute yourself before you start talking. Other people in the meeting are having a hard time hearing you. You may have internet connection issues, and sometimes turning off the video camera will help with that. To write a message that everyone can see, just click this button here, and you'll be able to text something that everyone can see. To see who all is in attendance in your meeting, just press People, and you'll see a list of everyone who is connected. Whoever is actively talking will show up on your main screen. When the meeting is over, just press this button here to leave. If you leave on accident, it's okay. Just press Rejoin to come back. You will have to press Allow again so that Google can access your camera and your microphone.